السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 15 from Madani Qaida, and today we will learn the rule of Idgham-e-Shafawi. What is the rule of Idgham-e-Shafawi in an Arabic accent? We will learn in this lesson with example. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what is Idgham-e-Shafawi, or what is the rule of Idgham-e-Shafawi, what is Mim Sakin, what is Gunna, what is the duration or length of Gunna, how do we pronounce the rule of Idgham-e-Shafawi in an Arabic accent. We will learn Idgham-e-Shafawi in this lesson with example. We pronounce the Idgham-e-Shafawi rule in this lesson with example. What is Idgham-e-Shafawi? What is the rule of Idgham-e-Shafawi? Idgham-e-Shafawi is the first case or first rule of Mim Sakin. Idgham-e-Shafawi is the first case or the first rule of Mim Sakin. What is the definition of Idgham-e-Shafawi? When after a Mim Sakin another Mim comes, then Idgham-e-Shafawi is done. Within the Mim Sakin, that is Gunna, is done. What is the rule of Idgham-e-Shafawi? What is the definition of Idgham-e-Shafawi? When after a Mim Sakin another Mim comes, then Idgham-e-Shafawi rule is done. Within the Mim Sakin, that is Gunna, is done. It means Idgham-e-Shafawi will be pronounced with Gunna in an Arabic accent. Idgham-e-Shafawi will be pronounced with Gunna in an Arabic accent. What is Mim Sakin? The letter Mim Sakin can be written as in both ways, either in this way or in this way. Any letter which has this Jazm sign or Sukoon sign, that letter is called Sakin letter. This is Mim Sakin, or this is Mim Sakin. Mim Sakin can be written as in both ways, either in this way or either in this way. What is Gunna? Gunna means taking the sound into the nose. What is the duration or length of Gunna? The duration of Gunna should be equal to 1 alif. Let's see the example of Idgham-e-Shafawi. How do we pronounce the Idgham-e-Shafawi rule in an Arabic accent? We pronounce the Idgham-e-Shafawi with Gunna in an Arabic accent. How we pronounce the Idgham-e-Shafawi? We will learn with this example. There is an example of Idgham-e-Shafawi because another Mim comes after Mim Sakin. There is Idgham-e-Shafawi rule is happening. How we perform the Idgham-e-Shafawi in an Arabic accent, we will learn with spelling. Fa Zabar Fa, Ha Mim Mim Pesh Hum, Fahum, Mim Qaf Pesh Muq, Fahum Muq, मीम ज़बर मा, फ़ाहुम मुक़मा, हा वाव पेश हू, फ़ाहुम मुक़महू, नून ज़बर ना, फ़ाहुम मुक़महून, फ़ाहुम मुक़महून, फ़ाहुम मुक़महून. Here we perform gunna and here we stretch gunna up to 1 alif because the length of gunna is equal to 1 alif. This is the example of Idgham-e-Shafawi in an Arabic accent. Thanks for watching. Kindly like this video and share as well. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.